What's up, y'all? It's your boy Jesse JIC3K. I'm unboxing Gibbs figurine today, designed by Harrington in collaborations with Madlib and Madgibbs. I've had this for a while. I've been waiting to open it. So I can put it over here on my new shelf. Rest in peace, Doom. Just do a hella unboxing or framing and other random shit. No pressure. Shout out to all the homies on Xbox. Anybody tap in with me yet? I don't think so. 0 views. Right, cool. Sick ass box. All the palm trees, the smiley faces. That's out to Harrington. Usually got a little bit of gold. Alright. Why is it getting out of focus? So this is the Madlib Madgibbs. I never really invested in figures or vinyl toys because they're kind of expensive. And I knew once I started I wouldn't stop. This is the first one for me. For sure not my last. Mask. She was like living along the palm trees everywhere. Now we got the blunts. You know what I'm saying? Get faded, cuz you need that. Who's trying to smoke? One for the zebra, one for him. There's a set of glasses. Sheesh. Everything wavy, baby. Pretty dope. Sheesh. Perfect 12 inches. Here's the widest point. Oh, these aren't the right glasses. Yo, what's up to my one viewer that just showed up? I'm unboxing my Madgibbs figurine. But easy. Palm tree glasses. There you go. There's chain on them. There we go. Sheesh. Got that Jesus piece, got that Gibbs piece. Yo, this chain just scratched the whole shit up. What the fuck? Yo, the chain literally scratched this thing up. That's trash. That's so trash. Like paint on the fucking horse. Whack ass paint. Terrible quality on the chain. Paint should not be coming off like that. Fucking up the whole t-shirt. The whole t-shirt's all scratched because I put the fucking chain on it. That's some dick. Wish I knew it was painted. I would never put the shit on like that. What do y'all think? Oh, I guess that's it. I thought it'd be more interesting. I'm not allowed to play music on here, I don't think, so I ain't gonna test it. They got Flying Lotus, fuck it, a whole 5 minutes. They cut his shit.